This is the hydraulic cylinder out of our rubber molding machine. It needs to get repaired because the high temperature beneath it damages its rubber seals. So previously we need to replace the seals every 2 months, resulting in high maintenance cost, frequent replacement, and increased downtime in our production line. Now from the inspiration that I'll talk later in this video, I have come to a conclusion that we need to use seals made up of special material and resist high temperature, resist chemicals and acids. Also they have to retain their flexibility, shape and their sealing capability for when exposed to various chemicals and high temperature. Material is fluoroelastomer rubber, also known as FKM rubber. It has all the properties. Let's go ahead and replace the seals. Today we have opened the center jack of this machine. As this is our hydraulic jack. Now we are going to replace the seals for this jack. Let's go. Now we have drained all the oil from this hydraulic jack. Now let's open this nut and dismantle the whole shaft from the cylinder. Now the problem is, as we don't have the key to open this nut from the hydraulic jack, and now what we are gonna do is mount this jack on this lathe, and then we will see what will happen. So here you can see we have mounted the hydraulic jack. It's been mounted on the dog chuck. Now let's open it from here. As you can see, this is not turning. So our nut has been opened. So here we are now. Now we are going to open this shaft, separate this shaft from the cylinder. So we have to mount this hydraulic jack again on the lathe and make some kind of attachment. Now as we move this bed, the hydraulics cylinder will come out. You can see there are some marks on the shaft, but when we replace the seals, this is gonna be fine. So here you can see the shaft has been separated from the cylinder. Now we are going to inspect the seals. As you can see, this seal has been cut off, and it also get very hard because of the heat in our machine. Also the oil damaged the rubber. So for the very first time we have developed a seal of a new material that is FKM rubber, fluoroelastomer rubber, that can withstand high temperature as well as also resist many chemicals. So let's go ahead and replace the seals. So as you can see, the seal has been broken out because it get hard due to two factors. Number one is because of the high temperature, and the second one is because of the acid in the oil that we are using. So this seal is made up of natural rubber. So the natural rubber cannot resist high temperature as well as chemicals or other solvents. So after some time, because of the high temperature, these lips get very hard, and when the jack puts oil pressure on it, it gets broken. For the very first time, we have made these type of seals. This is made up of fluoroelastomer rubber. This is a very special rubber, and it is in its top category. This also known as Vuitton rubber. So this type of rubber is soft, and it doesn't get hard over time. Also, because it also resists the high temperature as well as many other chemicals. So this time we are going to replace this seals with this seals and see the result. So let's do it. Now the first seal has been done. Now we are going to replace the other seal. So here we go. So both of our seals have been fitted, very clean. Now it's time to replace the seals of this. Now in order to place this seal here, as you can see, the seal has been placed. So we have to retain the seal here. So we use this retaining ring. We will make a slot here, very close to the seal, so that the retaining ring gets fit in there and hold our seal. So let's hold this piece on our lathe and make a slot here. We have marked where we have to put the slot. Now we will remove the seal and make the slot. So now our slot has been completed. Now let's assemble the seal and the retaining ring. So now the machine work has been done. The slot has been made. It's very fine. And the inner seal has been placed already. Now we are going to place this seal, this o-ring, and the one o-ring is here. So everything has been done. This seal, the o-ring has been placed. This o-ring has also been placed. Now is this retaining ring on top of the seal. So the retaining ring has also been placed. The seal has been fixed. So everything has been done very good. Now we are going to reassemble our hydraulic jack. This piston on the shaft, but we cannot place it from this side, because as you can see, this is in the opposite direction. We need to disassemble this part, slide it from the upper side. The seal cannot be damaged. So let's do this. Now everything has been fitted well. Now put this rod inside of the hydraulic cylinder. This is the hydraulic jack that we have fitted. It's that we have repaired actually. This has been mounted into the machine. We are going to complete the machine and then we'll test the pressure. So our machine has been fully repaired. As seen earlier, we have repaired this middle jack. Now we are going to test. Our machine is now good to go. Let's talk about the inspiration. Actually, we manufacture cast and rubber wheels for industrial trolley. There's a certain industrial company in our country approached to me about a year ago. They asked me to manufacture the rubber wheels for their trolleys that they are using in their industrial oven, where temperature goes up to around 120 degrees centigrade continuously for about 72 hours. So I have manufactured them those rubber wheels, and the result was very positive. So from there I got the idea that I need to use seals for our hydraulic cylinder that can bear high temperature. And